Okay, this is Josh with New Mexico Gardening with Josh, and hopefully you guys can see this. But this is my new watering system, basically using poly connected to a garden hose down here. And up here we have shrub emitters. Those are shrub sprinkler heads. I'm using rainbird because they're very soft, very gentle. It looks just like rain. And it gets the whole garden, even the back garden here. I was going to do extra emitters here in the back, but it looks like I'm not going to need those because I put 2 more emitters right here in the back of the shade garden, and those are fully covering that bed right there that's going to have my cucumbers and melons in. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to water twice a day, and for 20 minutes. And that should pretty much get everything. But I'm still testing to make sure that it's going to work properly. So far, pretty nice setup.